Searching for the best car jump starter feels like wandering through a forest of identical boxes and bold claims. Every brand promises power, safety, and reliability, but most look the same online. The real difference? It's buried in the details most sellers won't highlight up front.
Product number 1, Noco Boost GB70. Let's start with the Noco Boost GB70, a compact powerhouse from a brand that's been trusted by mechanics for years. At just 5 pounds, it looks unassuming, but don't let that fool you. If you want something reliable, safe, and small enough to stash in your glove box without clutter, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 2,000 amps of peak power, it can jumpstart gas engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel up to 6.0 liters. That covers everything from compact sedans to full-size trucks. The ultra-safe technology means no sparks, no wrong connections, even if you're fumbling in the dark. Plus, it doubles as a power bank with USB ports and has a bright 400-lumen flashlight with SOS mode. Real users report up to 40 jumps per charge, and it recharges fully in about 6 hours. Now, some people complained about the clamps feeling a bit flimsy compared to traditional jumper cables. Here's the thing though, they're designed for precision, not brute force. If you're gentle and follow the connection steps, which are clearly labeled, they work flawlessly. The bigger issue might be price. It's not the cheapest, but you're paying for proven reliability and safety tech that cheaper models skip. This is perfect for you if you drive a regular passenger car or SUV and want peace of mind without carrying bulky gear. Skip this one if you frequently jump massive diesel trucks or need tire inflation built in. For everyday drivers, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 2, Energizer jumper cables. All right, that was a high-tech lithium option. But what if you just want old-school reliability without breaking the bank? Enter the Energizer 16-foot, 6-gauge jumper cables. At around $25, this is the budget hero, but only if you already have another vehicle nearby. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These aren't your grandpa's flimsy cables. The thick vinyl coating resists rust and corrosion, and the copper-clad aluminum wires stay flexible even at negative 40 degrees Celsius. That 16-foot length gives you serious reach, perfect when parking positions are awkward or you're on a narrow roadside. The included carrying bag keeps everything tidy, and the strong spring-loaded clamps grip tight without slipping. Now, some people complained about the weight, nearly 4 pounds. And honestly, that's fair. These aren't pocket-sized, and if you're alone with a dead battery and no helper car, they're useless. That's the biggest flaw. They require another vehicle to work. Unlike lithium jump starters, there's no internal battery here. This is perfect for you if you live in an area where roadside assistance is quick or you often travel with others. Skip this one if you're frequently alone on long trips or drive in remote areas. It's cheap, tough, and gets the job done, but only when help is nearby. Product number 3, Noco Boost X GBX 155. Now, if the GB70's power limit worried you about larger engines, this next one takes a completely different approach: extreme performance. The Noco Boost X GBX 155 delivers a massive 4,250 amps, handling gas engines up to 10.0 liters and diesel up to 8.0 liters. That's RV, tractor, and heavy-duty truck territory. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The upgraded UltraSafe 2.0 system adds better thermal management, so it won't overheat during repeated jumps. The turbocharge feature is wild. It recharges in just 2.7 hours via USB-C. Or you can get enough juice for one jump in only 5 minutes, even from dead. Plus, the 60-second timer helps conserve energy between starts, giving you up to 18 jumps per charge. The 500-lumen flashlight and 60-watt USB-C port let you charge laptops or run small devices in a pinch. Now, some people complained about the size and weight, over 7 pounds. And yeah, it's not something you'll toss in a purse. It's built like a tank, which is great for durability, but less ideal for compact storage. This is perfect for you if you drive large vehicles, live in cold climates, or want maximum backup power. Skip this one if you drive a small car and prioritize portability over brute strength. It's overkill for a Honda Civic, but ideal for a Ford F-250. Product number 4. Etamol Jump Starter with Air Compressor. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for drivers who want more than just a jump. The Etamol combines an 8,000 A peak jump starter with a 150 PSI air compressor, all in one unit under $50. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Flat tire? Dead battery? This thing handles both. The digital display shows real-time PSI, and it auto-stops when your tire reaches the set pressure. No guesswork. It inflates tires 6 times faster than basic models, and works on bikes, toys, and sports gear too. The 10,000 mAh battery gives solid jump power for most cars, and the LED light helps during nighttime emergencies. Now, some people complained about inconsistent jump performance on very cold mornings or older diesel engines. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's impressive. It's not meant to replace a dedicated high amp jumper, but for average drivers, it covers 90% of roadside issues. This is perfect for you if you want multifunctionality without buying 3 separate tools. Skip this one if you drive a heavy-duty vehicle or need professional-grade reliability. For weekend adventurers or parents with multiple vehicles, it's a steal.
Product number 5, DeWalt DX-AEPS 14. Finally, if you're a DIYer or contractor who already trusts DeWalt tools, this jump starter might feel like a natural fit. The DX-AEPS 14 packs 2,000 peak amps, a 120 PSI air compressor, and even a 500-watt AC inverter, basically a mini power station. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sealed lead-acid battery is bulkier than lithium, but it's proven, durable, and handles deep discharge as well. The reverse polarity protection prevents mistakes, and the USB ports, 15-watt and 25-watt, keep your devices charged. The AC inverter lets you run small tools or electronics off your car, great for job sites or camping. Now, some people complained about the weight, over 17 pounds, and honestly, that's a real downside. It's not something you'll carry easily, and it takes up serious trunk space. This is perfect for you if you already own DeWalt gear and want a rugged, multi-use tool for work or home. Skip this one if you prioritize portability or drive a small car. It's built like a brick, which is good if you need durability, but overkill for daily commuting.
So which one's right for you? The noco GB70 is the sweet spot for most drivers. Compact, safe, and powerful. Need max power for big engines? Go with the noco Boost X. On a tight budget and rarely alone, the Energizer cables work. Want an all-in-one solution? Etamol delivers surprising value. And if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem and don't mind the weight, their unit adds serious utility. Whatever your ride, don't wait until you're stranded to decide.